It's time to show you how to get started with your Varia eBike rear view radar. Your Varia needs to be connected to your eBike first. If you haven't done that already, click the link in our bio to watch an installation video. There are 3 ways to use your Varia eBike radar: with an Edge bike computer, a compatible Garmin smartwatch, or by connecting to the Varia app downloaded to a compatible smartphone. We'll start by showing you how to pair your Varia eBike radar with an Edge. Power up your eBike, and your Varia eBike radar will automatically power on. If the Varia eBike radar is in sleep mode, you can use the button to turn it on. Next, turn on your Edge device. You'll need to put your Varia eBike radar into pairing mode by holding the button for 4 seconds until the status LED starts flashing purple. On the main menu on your Edge, head to Settings, then Sensors. Next, click Add Sensor. Then select Search All. Choose the radar once it shows in the list. It's as easy as that. Next up is connecting to the Varia app with a compatible smartphone. Download the Varia app on your smartphone from your app store. We're using an Apple iPhone, but the process is very similar for an Android device. Open the Varia app and allow Bluetooth to connect to the app by selecting OK. Then turn on Bluetooth. You'll need to put your Varia into pairing mode by holding the button for 4 seconds until the status LED starts flashing purple. Back on your smartphone, select Pair Now when prompted. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions. Hold your phone close to your Varia eBike radar. Once it's found, select That's Mine. This will then pair your Varia eBike radar to the app. Finally, if you want to pair a compatible Garmin smartwatch to your Varia eBike radar, follow these steps. Press and hold the up button on the left side of your watch to bring up a menu. Scroll down and press Sensors and Accessories. Then press Add New before selecting Search All Sensors. Then put your Varia eBike radar in pairing mode by pressing and holding the button for 4 seconds. Then hold your smartwatch near the Varia eBike radar and wait for your watch to find it. Once the radar appears on your smartwatch, select to connect it. Scroll down and select the Start-Stop button to read and acknowledge the warning. Once paired, you're all set. You're now up to speed on how to pair your Varia eBike radar to multiple devices, and it's time to ride. For more help, check out our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.